photo. Okay, look at this. Basically, what is line spacing? Huh? Line spacing, by its name you can say the things. What will be by its name? Usually line spacing means what?
The space between two or more lines.
Exactly. By its name we can say the space between lines. Maybe 2 lines or more lines. Okay. Now look at this. Line spacing, when we are writing, suppose a paragraph, look at this. We are writing, so here we have written in word. Okay. Now here, when we are giving,
Ma'am, you can tell which chapter. Ma'am, which chapter is this?
You joined late.
No, ma'am, that day I am absent, so that's why.
Okay, chapter 3. Okay, page number. Ipshita, just say the page number. Divyanka, page number?
Ma'am, 24.
24. Open page number 24. Okay. Even right now, I am not explaining from the book. Okay. Just look at the screen. Then I'll open the book. Okay. Acha, basically line spacing, the gap between 2 lines or more lines, the space between them. Huh? Look at this. Here, the first line is written and the second line. In this 2 line, there is a little bit gap. Now, look at this. This gap. Understood? There is a gap though.
Yes, ma'am.
So, line spacing between these 2 gaps. And what is paragraph spacing? Paragraph spacing means the gap between 2 paragraphs. Okay. The difference, look at this. Look at this figure. Line spacing means only this one first line, this one second line. The gap between them. And paragraph spacing means, basically look, this one is the first para. Yes, though?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
one is the second
Second
para.
para.
So in between them, there is a little bit gap. Now look at this.
Yes, ma'am.
So this one is paragraph spacing. Understood or not? These 2 things is
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Now
Yes,
there are
Paragraph spacing is
Yes, ma'am.
more.
exactly. And there is, now mute yourself. Huh? Now there are so many features in line spacing as well as paragraph spacing. Okay. Now what are the features and where you will get that option of line spacing? When you will give the space between 2 lines, where you will get the option? Look at this. This is Word 2013. Now look at this. Here it is home option. So in that home option, you will click, then you will get, look at this. Here paragraph is, there is one word written paragraph. Look at this. Yes, Tom. All of you are able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Now, now look at this. Look at this option. This is line spacing option. Line spacing. Okay. This is, now the sign is already given. Look, arrow. And there are some lines. Now, so basically the gap. There we have to put the gap. Okay. This one is the option. Again, I am just zooming out. All of you are able to see it? Look. This option. This option. Understood too? I have made a
Yes,
circle.
ma'am.
Yes? Okay.
Ma'am, this
Now-
option, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Junaid, I am
This
unable
type
to
of
see
option,
you.
so, ma'am.
Yes. Exactly.
So, ma'am.
Okay. Now here we have to click. Look, there is one arrow is over there now in this way. In this arrow, we have to click. Okay, if we click, then what will we get? Look at this. Look at the next page. After clicking in this option, look, we are getting so many options. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So many options.
Yes, ma'am.
So many. Acha, Mirza, are you getting the points though or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now after that, what to do? Look, this is given. The space will be 1.0, 1.15, okay? 1.5, 2.0. In this way, we can give the space. Okay. Now,
Which
the
option
more
have you
important-
chosen?
Now yes, I have chosen only this one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, now look at this. Here is one more important option, that is line spacing option. Here are also so many others option, extra thing you will get related to line spacing. Okay, now let me open this one. What is this? Which one is actually written on your book? Open page number 24. Look exactly, at least multiple, this type of things are written now. Open at page number 24.
Yes, ma'am. It's written.
Option. Yes,
All
ma'am.
these
Line space option.
yes, all these are inside this option. Okay. Acha, all of you have the computer, so you can just check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I am doing. Ma'am, you have said I am doing this. Line
okay.
spacing option. I am get. There is
So many
types
options.
of-
Now, things.
Yes, ma'am.
let me
There is
show you.
element. Ma'am, there is element, outline, label, and indication.
This one, na?
Right.
This
This
one
type
too?
of options, ma'am.
Junaid,
Yes, ma'am.
Junaid, look at this. Acha, Ujan, are you getting my points too? Have you understood too? After
Yes,
this,
Understood, but ma'am, my Microsoft Office is not activated, ma'am. That is the problem.
oh, acha, okay, no issue. Try to understand it, beta? Okay. And Kabir, you joined new. Today is the first class you are doing. In my class, this is the first day, na? Kabir?
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, I do not have the same version, ma'am. I have
Kabir?
Windows.
If you are not
Yes,
doing
ma'am.
the class, wait, Trisha, wait. If you are not doing the classes, you have not done the previous classes, so see the video, that will be better for you. Okay, now after clicking on that line spacing option, then look, we are getting this page. Okay, now what is the meaning of all thing? Okay, alignment, left, Acha, which one is most important? Let me explain that one first. This part, this spacing part is the most important thing. Let me explain this one first. Okay, what is before and after? The noises are coming from whom? Acha, what is
Either
before
Trisha or
and
Ujan.
after? Look at this. What is before? Acha, let me show you the paragraph. This was the paragraph, na? Yes, to.
Yes, ma'am.
What is before and which one is after? What does it mean? Before means before starting writing or before starting the paragraph, how many space you will give above of it here. And after means after ending one para, how many space you will give. Got it? Suppose first paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph, in this way it is going on. Now before spacing means before writing or before typing. Okay, how many space will give above the page, on the top of the page? Understood? Then we'll start to write over there. Okay, then suppose one para is already ended, first paragraph completed. After that, before starting the second paragraph, how many space we will give? Is it clear though?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
ma'am. Clear.
Okay. Now again, let me move to that page. Okay, this one, huh? Look. Before, after, now, line spacing in this option. Let me come in this option. Look, line spacing. All of you are able to see it. I don't know whether the screen is properly visible to you. or not.
Properly
Ma'am, the
visible.
screen is hazy.
Yes, ma'am. Properly.
Ma'am,
Okay,
too
okay,
much
okay. Don't
hazy.
shout like class 1 or 2 children. Hazy, visible, oof. Acha. Now look, line spacing option. Now it is clear. So there is, look, this arrow. After clicking on here, we can get the option. What are the options? Look at this. In the next, look. These are the options. Yes? Look at this. All of you are able to see this too.
Yes,
Look,
ma'am.
that's the option.
Yes, ma'am.
We have
Yes,
clicked
ma'am.
over there and we are getting multiple, single, okay, 1.5 lines, double, at least, and exactly. What does it means? Okay. Basically, when you choose the option, this option, then what does single mean? Single means only one single gap will be there. Okay. Double means, suppose you are choosing the single means 1.0. Okay. Then only the gap will be this one. And double means double of it. The gap will be becoming 2.0. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear or not? Suppose in single gap, you are choosing 0.5. Okay. Then when you will choose double, then it will be this one, 1.0. Understood, Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, all of you, Junaid, Debolin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, acha, now 1.5 lines. This one is actually fixed. You can choose this. Okay. And